All right, guys. Good evening. Welcome back to another trade review by Chooks Anyang. I'm your chief instructor. I'm a chart technician and a trader. So, guys, today we're just like the popular demand. We're going to analyze UC. UC is dollar chef. Okay. When I asked my student to make a demand of what currency pair they want me to analyze, they chose these four currency pairs. Okay. I've analyzed the first one, which is the pound dollar. Now we have the dollar chef, okay? So, and we're on the dollar chef chart now, guys. So now, first thing first, market structure, top-down analysis, guys. So what you need to do is that you have to do your top-down analysis for you to be able to determine the direction, your directional bias, okay? So first thing we do is to start from your weekly time frame. Now, from the weekly time frame, you look at what the market is doing. So, guys, you don't need the prophet to tell you that this market is in a downtrend. Okay. However, let me also show you what next you can do. When you look at the market structure, you see that this market is doing lower high, okay, lower low, lower high, okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, okay. Now, this market needs to break this previous high, okay? It needs to break this previous lower high, okay? If it has not broken it, then structure has not been broken, okay? Other thing we can look at is that if you say this is the next lower low, okay? So which means here is if this is the next lower low, okay, here should be another elbow. Let's start from here. From here to here should be another lower high, lower low, and the lower the lower low. Okay, so guys, even if you look at it from this perspective, you see that the market is still in a downtrend. Okay, when you pull up this, okay, and you put this one here, you see that the market is still in a downtrend, guys. Okay, so this is how you determine the market structure. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'm going to delete this, and we have now confirmed that the weekly time frame is bearish. Okay, so let's note that weekly time frame is bearish. Okay, so let's look at what the daily time frame is saying. So we'll crank down to the daily time frame. Okay, we are the daily time frame, guys. So what is this market doing, guys? What is the market doing? Okay, so guys, well, arguably, I will prefer to say that this market is an uptrend, okay? I will tell you why. There's a change of character here, okay? There is a change of character here, okay? There is a change of character here, okay? Now, guys, if you ask me what that means is that the market was before now, the market was what? The market was in a downtrend, guys, okay? The market was in a downtrend, okay? But eventually, the character of the market changed. And so the market started doing, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, okay? Then another higher high, then another higher high again, okay? So you can look at it like this, okay? You can say the market is doing this, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here, and another higher high. So guys, you can see that the market is doing this now. So when you put this out, okay, when you put this out, you see that the market is in an uptrend, okay? So this is an uptrend market structure, okay? So we say that we are concluding that the daily time frame is bullish, okay? So the daily time frame is bullish. So daily time frame is what is bullish, okay? So let's change this to bullish, okay? Daily time frame is bullish. So let's look at what the 4-hour time frame now is saying. So we'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame, okay? So guys, clearly you agree with me that the market is in an uptrend, okay? The market is in an uptrend. So if you take it from here, wherever you take it from, okay, if you take it, even if you take it from here, the market is in an uptrend, okay. If you want me to show you, let's analyze the market structure. So from here is the higher low, higher high, higher low. It did not break that high, okay. It came back here, did a lower low, okay. It did a lower high, lower low. It came back here and broke structure here. It broke structure. Then a new uptrend has continued from here. It didn't break that structure, okay. Then it came back here, okay. What is it doing here? And the market ended up here, okay. So guys, for the market to end up here, okay, well, we can argue. Let's look at if it broke this high, okay. Let's look at if it broke this high, okay. Did it break this high? Okay, let's remove this structure. Now, did it break that high? The answer is what? The answer is no. It did not break that high, okay. It did not break that high, okay. So let's still wait if it is going to continue pushing up, but overall speaking, overall the structure here is what is bullish, okay. Overall the structure is bullish, okay. Overall the structure is bullish, but at least it broke the previous high. Look at it, broke this previous high, okay. It broke this previous high. All right, so price closed above this previous high, okay. So for me, this market is what? This market is bullish, okay. So we'll come back here and change this to bullish, okay. The market is bullish, okay. All right, so if you look at the overall market structure, our weekly time frame is what? Is bearish. The daily time frame is bullish. The 4-hour time frame is what? Is bullish. So guys, for me, we're going to look for a buy opportunity in this market, okay. We're going to look for a buy opportunity. Okay, so now let's go and pick our levels. Let's go and pick our levels, okay. So we start from the weekly time frame to take our weekly levels, okay. So back here in our weekly time frame, we have to come and pick our levels, okay. So if you look at what the market is doing, guys, again, let's remove this, okay. All right, so if you look at what the market is doing again, guys, you see that we can easily pick our levels from the immediate price action or market structure, okay. So let me take my horizontal line and pick this level, okay. My horizontal line again and pick this level, okay. All right, so the other level again I can see from the weekly is this level, okay. All right, so guys, for me, these are the levels, okay, on the weekly time frame, okay. Let's bring these levels to what? To the body and wick, okay. Let's also bring this to the body and wick, okay. So these are our what? These are our weekly levels. So let's leave this our weekly level at blue. So we now know that our weekly level is the blue line, okay. So let's come here and annotate it properly. So we say that the W1, let's call them area of interest, okay. This is our area of interest, okay. So let's duplicate this, okay. Duplicate it again, okay. So we can now bring it here, our W1 area of interest, okay. This is our area of interest, okay. So when I say area of interest, that's where we'll place our eyes. When price come to that area, we'll begin to look for price action pattern, candlestick pattern to confirm our trade. So we can lock up this level, okay, and lock up this level. All right, so these are our weekly levels, okay. So let's drop down to the daily time frame and see what price is doing as well, okay, and pick our structure levels, okay, from the daily time frame, guys, okay. So from the daily time frame, guys, you can see clearly that those levels are still what? Are still relevant, okay. Those levels are still what? They are still relevant in price action, okay. What we can do we can adjust them slightly, but for now, considering where price is, I may not be too bothered about this level, but for the sake of structure, we can adjust it. Okay, we can adjust it here. So change this color to, let's change our daily levels to black. Okay, our daily levels to black. Okay. What other price action can we see here? Is this level valid? Is this level valid? Let's zoom in. Sorry, let's zoom out on this chart and see what price is doing on the left hand side. So if you look at it, you see that this daily level is key. You can see how price is reacting off this level on the left hand side. Okay, and also here. Okay, so I think that level is valid. Okay, so let's look at the other levels. Okay, the other levels, let's see, also valid here. You can see price reacted off this level. Okay, so these levels are key levels. Okay, for now, I think that is what we have. Okay, we can add additional one to the top. Okay, it doesn't really matter, but if you can leave it like this, it doesn't really matter, because we are looking at where price is currently fixated. Okay, so these black ones are our daily levels. Okay, so let's zoom in on this chart now. Let's zoom in on this chart. Okay, haven't picked those levels. Let's now zoom in on the chart. Okay, so the black levels are daily levels. Okay, so we can come here and see and mark them up properly. Okay, this is our T1 area of interest. Okay, boom. Okay, so you just reduce this. Okay, then I want to duplicate this. Okay, for this level here. Okay, all right, then also grab this and put this here. Okay, so we now know that the black level, they are our what? The black levels are our daily levels. Okay, so guys, let's lock up this level. Okay, lock it up, lock up this black. Okay, up here we can also lock up this level. Okay, another thing I forgot to teach you guys is this. We can use our round number. Okay, we can place these levels at our round number levels. Okay, so when you double click this, okay, you go to the coordinate, you look for the round number. Okay, I can change this to 800. Okay, I can change this to 800 fully. Okay, and say okay. All right, so this is our round number level. Okay, all right, this is our okay. Let me unlock this and change it to the round number. Okay, 800. Okay, 800. Okay, and say okay, so this is our round number. I can now lock it up. Okay, I can also unlock this and change it to round number. Okay, let's change this to round number. We can change this to 6000. Okay, round number. Okay, it's about the same thing. We can just okay, we'll just leave those two there. Okay, leave them, they are round numbers, anywhere close to them. But let's see another thing we can do. Can we change this to 7000? Okay, 723. Okay, let's see where to take it to find. Okay, this is the round number for okay, no, let's take this back, because this is our weekly level. Okay, let's lock up this level. Don't worry, I know what to do. Let's lock it up. Okay, let's change this one to the round number. Let's unlock it, change it to the round number. We can make this 8500. Okay, is a round number. All right, okay, so this is a round number. We can lock it up there. Okay, all right, this other one we can turn it to, okay, this is our weekly level. Let's leave this weekly level. Okay, let's leave the weekly levels. Okay, price still has a long way to go here, so we might not bother about that level for now. This other levels are just okay for us, okay? These other levels are okay for us, okay? So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Now, what is the 4-hour time frame telling us? Okay, the 4-hour time frame levels, okay? The 4-hour time frame levels. Okay, let me look at these levels, okay? Let's look at these levels, okay? Okay, so guys, I only want to work with these two levels, the weekly and the daily level, okay? I only want to work with those levels. So what are we trying to do here, guys? I'm saying that given the directional position of the 3 time frames, okay? That's the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour time frame. I want to conclude that I will look for what? I will look for a bullish trade opportunity, okay? I will look for a bullish trade opportunity, considering that 2 time frames have aligned to be bullish, okay? So I want to align with the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame market structure, okay? So now let me begin to narrow down to specifics, okay? So now I want to see what I can draw here. Let me use trend line to trap price, okay? I'll use my trend line to trap my price. Very, very important. You need to do that, okay? So what this tells me is that I'll wait for price to come to this structure, go up here, break to the upside, and then this is our daily structure, okay? If price breaks this level and pushes up, I will look for what? I will look for a buy opportunity, guys, okay? So our directional bias in this market is a buy, guys. So let's note that. Let's look for buy trade opportunity, guys. Okay, we're looking for buy trade opportunity, okay? Guys, I'm looking for one opportunity. I'm looking for 2 opportunities. Let me change it back to opportunity, okay? So we are looking for a buy trade opportunity. Let me increase this to 28, okay? That's it, okay? So this is our directional bias, guys. This is our 3 directional bias, okay? We're looking for a buy opportunity in this trade, okay? So what we can do, let's move it to the left hand side. So what we can do here, guys, is that we begin to focus on price action. We begin to focus on price action, okay? Now, if you ask me, this is an ascending triangle, okay? So let's put up our confluence factors, guys. Let's put up our confluence factors, okay? We can say here, we can say D1 and the H4 are what? Are bullish, okay? Are bullish, okay? Okay, so we're looking for what? We're looking for confluence. We're looking for, my time is about running out. We're looking for confluence factors, okay? Or confluences, okay? Let's call it confluences for a buy trade, okay? Okay, confluences for a buy trade. Number 1 confluence is that these 2 time frames are bullish, okay? The other one is that I've seen an ascending triangle. Ascending triangle that is a bullish continuation. There is a bullish continuation pattern, okay? Okay, so for now, these are confluences. This is too large. Let's reduce it to 14. Okay. All right. So All right, guys, let's continue with our analysis. So I said we're going to have this as our confluence factors. Okay, we're going to have this as our set of confluence factors. Okay, all right. Okay. So now, what other thing are we going to look at for here? Okay. Now, what we can look at for here, guys, is how do we expect this market to move? Okay. So, guys, let me show you something. Let me show us something. Okay, quite quickly. Now, we expect this market to do this: push down, come here, take up, come here, break structure, retest structure, and boom to the upside. Okay. And bump to the upside. This is another level, okay? So it's critical because this is our weekly what? Our weekly level. So if it breaks our weekly level, okay, she expected to push up to the upside, okay? So these are the two things that can happen. Now, we need to watch out this level. This level is our daily key level, okay? So if price breaks it, okay, and come to retest it, we'll look for price to continue to move upwards. Okay, of course, if you look to the left hand side, you see that there's still ample price action at structure level that could happen. Okay, look at what is happening here. So I still expect that price could come to this level to test this level. So don't be surprised that that could be our viable take profit level. Okay, because if you look at the left hand side, you see that is a structure level. Okay, so guys, that's all I have for you for this trade analysis. I don't want to waste too much time on it, okay? Another thing you can look out for, maybe RSI divergence, confirmation, or you look out for break and retest of structure, which we have mentioned here, okay? So for us, our directional bias in this trade is a buy trade, guys. We've taken a decision, and so we're going to cross our fingers and monitor this chart and see what the market is going to do in the coming days, guys. So thank you very much, guys, and do have a blessed day. And I hope this video helps. If it does, please drop me a comment and let me have your view about this trade analysis. Okay. So guys, thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye bye.